Hello everybody, this is Eric Leriche from localinterviews.tv. Today we're going to be talking about stem cells, and Dr. Sammy Sliwin, a plastic surgeon from Toronto, will be telling us the news that he got lately from Health Canada. Hello Dr. Sliwin.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you for being here. So why don't you go ahead and explain to us what this good news is about?
Well, on September the 5th, we received our letter of no objection from Health Canada so that we can start the first clinical trial in Canada with adipose-derived stem cells in humans. And this trial is going to be for soft tissues and abnormal wound healing. We're going to be able to test the fresh and the post-trial preserved cells of the patient's their own cells and see the safety and efficacy of this. And this is the first of many trials. The next one we're going to be doing is going to be on osteoarthritis, and we're working on the approval for that right now, where we'll be injecting the patient's own stem cells in their own fat into the knee to try to help with them with the inflammation and pain and regrow their cartilage in their osteoarthritis.
Wow, this is very impressive. So, in the end, what's the ultimate goal of that study?
Well, in these two, it's about safety and efficacy, and eventually we're hoping that we're going to be able to offer patients in Canada stem cell treatments for all different types of diseases, not just osteoarthritis and cosmetic things. We believe that we're going to be able to help them with hair regrowth. We believe that we're going to be able to help them with macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and all the autoimmune diseases like MS, scleroderma. But those are a ways away still. We're going to start slowly by working on these two studies and then move on to those.
Well, we wish you the best with this study, Dr. Sliwin. This is very interesting, and hopefully this works out, because I know a lot of people will benefit from such a study that you're doing. So thank you very much from everybody out here. Now I'd like to concentrate the next couple of minutes on your practice. I understand you also operate a cosmetic surgery hospital, a private cosmetic surgery hospital in Toronto, right?
Yes, we've had a private cosmetic surgery hospital in Toronto called the Forest Hill Institute of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery since 1991. Fully accredited. It has by both the Canadian Association of Ambulatory Surgical Facilities as well as the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario. We do a full gambit of surgery here, from endoscopic brow lifts, facelifts, and rhinoplasty and eyelid surgeries. We do mid-facelifts, we do breast reductions, breast augmentations, breast lifts, tummy tucks and liposuctions, mummy makeovers. We're quite proud of that. There's 6 other plastic and ENT surgeons who work here, as well as a group of over 20 anesthetists, as well as we have a medically directed skincare spa with an esthetician, as well as lasers and peels and treatments as well. Thank you.
Sounds good, Dr. Sliwin. Now can you explain to our viewers what kind of experience can they expect if they come and visit you?
Well, when they come in for a consultation, we really believe that an empowered patient is one who has a lot of information. So when they come in, we hopefully they've watched the patient education video film that they can get from our website, and then we do a consultation and address their wishes and wants. We can tell them what is appropriate for them, as well as to describe the surgical procedure, and if they need a surgical procedure, or if it's a non-surgical procedure like Botox or fillers, we can do those right on the spot. We can give them the price and what the kind of expectations that they can have, and as well as the post-operative care and how long it takes to recover. So we're pretty thorough here, and they can have a tour of the facility at the same time, so they can get a comfort zone for that.
That is truly great, Dr. Sliwin. I want to thank you very, very much for your time.
Thank you.
Well, folks, this is it for today's edition of Ask the Expert on localinterviews.tv with Dr. Sammy Sliwin, a plastic surgeon from Toronto. Don't hesitate to call 416-785-7864 or visit www.sliwinplasticsurgery.com to schedule a consultation or get more information. So thank you once again, everybody, for watching. This is it. Goodbye.